In front of me is OPPO Find X8, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Google. Then choose All Services. Scroll again to hit Autofill with Google and choose Google Password Manager. Now tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. Over here you can type in any website or select an app. Then add your username, email or phone number, password, and then even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!